In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. This will take you into the workspace where your saved prompts and projects are stored. After you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the History section and click on it. This is where you can quickly find previous work, including prompts or projects you may want to share with someone else. If you've been working on multiple items, this step helps you locate the exact one you need without starting from scratch. Next, click on the prompt or project you want to open. Make sure you select the correct item before moving on, especially if you're sharing something collaborative or important. Once it opens, you'll be able to access its options and sharing settings. Now, look for the Share button and click on it. This opens the sharing panel where you can invite another person to access your work. In the email field, type your collaborator's Google account email address carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the address before sending, since access will go directly to that account. After entering the email address, choose the appropriate access permission tier. You'll typically see options like Viewer or Editor. Viewer access is best if you only want the other person to review the content, while editor access is the better choice if you want them to make changes or collaborate with you directly. Once everything looks correct, click Send. That's it. Your prompt or project will be shared with your collaborator. And that's how to share Google AI Studio. If you're working with a team, using the right permission level can make collaboration much smoother and help prevent unwanted changes.